Hey everyone, today I'm going to teach you how to use Mirror Column in Monday.com. Let's jump right into it. First, open your web browser and head over to Monday.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. This will take you straight to your workspace where you can access all your boards and start setting up the Mirror Column feature. After logging in, take a look at the left sidebar of your screen. This is where all your boards are listed. Click on the board where you want to add the Mirror Column. This could be any board you're currently working on, whether it's for project management, team tasks, or client tracking. Just select the one that fits your needs. Once you're inside the board, look towards the right side of your screen. You'll see a plus sign at the top right area of the board. Click on it. This is how you add any new column to your board, and it opens up a menu with different column types you can choose from. Now, in the search bar that appears, type Mirror. This will filter the results and show you the Mirror Column option. Once you see it in the list, click on Mirror to select it. The Mirror column is what allows you to pull in data from other boards, so you can keep everything connected without duplicating information manually. After selecting the Mirror column, a panel will appear on the right side of your screen. In this panel, click Connect. This button starts the process of linking your current board to another board where the data you want to mirror is stored. Next, you'll see an option that says Create a new connection. Click on it. This step is important because it establishes a fresh link between the two boards, ensuring that the data flows correctly and stays updated automatically. A new window will pop up, prompting you to select boards. Click on Select Boards to continue. This opens up a list of all the boards available in your workspace, giving you the flexibility to choose exactly which one you want to connect. From the list that appears, look for the board you want to connect. Once you find it, click the checkbox beside it to select it. After you've made your selection, click Connect Boards at the bottom of the window. This confirms your choice and creates the connection between the two boards. Now that the connection is established, you'll be taken to a screen where you can select columns to mirror. Here, you can choose multiple columns depending on what data you need to pull in. Click on the columns you want, and once you're done making your selections, click Done. This finalizes the setup and adds the mirror column to your board with all the connected data visible. And that's it. You've successfully set up a mirror column in Monday.com, allowing you to view and track data from another board without manually updating anything. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.